Hi children, welcome back to video classes. In the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, we already learned three methods: substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. And the last two videos onwards I am teaching equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. So part 1, part 2, this is part 3, model 1, model 2, model 3. The third model, the last model in this exercise. Now here 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4 and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. So these are normal equations. We have to reduce to pair of linear equations in two variables. The method is the old method only. Carefully you see. This is nothing but 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. Coming to this equation, 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Here put 1 by x plus y is equal to p and 1 by x minus y is equal to q. Therefore 10 of this, that implies 10 of 1 by x plus y is nothing but p, 10p plus 2q to 1 by x minus y is nothing but 1 by x minus nothing but q, that's why 2q is equal to 4. Coming to here, 15 into 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y is nothing but p minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is nothing but q is equal to minus 2. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is nothing but 10p plus 2q is equal to 4, 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2. These two just now I got linear equations in two variables. First I have to solve these two linear equations in two variables so that I get the p value and q value. From that I will substitute 1 by x plus y is equal to the p value and 1 by x minus y is equal to q, that q value, and so that I will get x and y values. We got two pair of linear equations in two variables. So we have to solve by using elimination method. If you want to go, you can go for substitution method. Elimination method. How to eliminate? First, I have to eliminate. I thought of eliminating q. So your wish. If you want to eliminate p, I thought of eliminating q. So for the purpose, what I am doing? This equation 1 into something. Equation 1 into something. Equation 2 into something. What is the something? So here equation 1 into 5. Equation 1 into 5. Equation 2 into 2. Equation 2 into 2. So let us multiply. That implies here into this full equation into 5. That's why 50p, 10q, 20. 50p plus 10q, 50p into 5, 50 into 5, 10 into 5, 20. This implies into 2, 30, 30p into 2, 30p minus into 2, 10q is equal to into 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 4. Now I'm going to eliminate q. So actually here plus symbol is there, here minus symbol is there. That's what I can go for addition only. That's why here 10p minus 10q minus 10q is equal to 0. So addition no. That's why 50p plus 30p is equal to 80p. 80p is equal to 20 plus minus 4. That is nothing but 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. P is equal to 16 by 80. 16 by 80. So that is nothing but 16 by 80. 16 table 1 time, 16 table 5 times. So P is equal to 1 by 5. P is equal to 1 by 5. So P value I got. Put P is equal to 1 by 5 in any equation, either 1 or 2. So in equation 1. So that's why 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. 10p, 10 into p, 1 by 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. So 10 into 1 by 5, 5 table 1 time, 5 table 2 times. That is nothing but 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. That implies, here I am writing, 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. 2q is equal to 4 minus 2. 2q is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 by 2. That implies q is equal to 1. Just now I got p is equal to 1 by 5 and q is equal to 1. Q is equal to 1. Just now I got p and q values. P and q values. By using this p and q values, I'll get x and y value. I'll get x and y value. Okay, here I got p is equal to 1 by 5 and q is equal to 1. Actually, what is p? P is equal to 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. P is equal to 1 by x plus y. Q is equal to 1 by x minus 5. Q is equal to 1 by x minus 5. P is equal to 1 by x plus y. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by x plus 1. 1 by 5 only. Q is equal to 1 by x minus 1. 1 is 1. 1 I can write 1 by 1. 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but. From this, if you want, you can go for cross multiplication. Otherwise, numerator and numerator is equal. That's why denominator x plus y is equal to 5. This here numerator is 1. Here also numerator is 1. That's why denominator is also equal. X plus y is equal to 5. Here numerators are equal. That's why x minus 1 is y is equal to 1. Now this is equation 3 and 4. Equations 3 and 4. Now again we have to solve these two equations by using any method. So I use elimination method only. So here x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. No need to multiply with any constant. Why? Because the numerical quotients are equal. Here again you have to go for addition. What is that? Why? Because same symbols are there. Here plus 1y, here minus 1y. That's why addition only. So here carefully you listen. Plus y and minus y will be cancelled. Here plus 1x is nothing but 2x. Is nothing but 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Just now we got 2x is equal to 6. 2 into x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is first answer. x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now substitute x is equal to 3 in either equation 1 or 2. So put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Oh, sorry, 3. What is 3? X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to, substitute x is equal to 3. Yes, x is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. That implies y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Finally, for this big question, big sum, I got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Finally, I got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the final answer of this first question. Here, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8. So actually here you have to substitute 1 by 3x plus y is equal to p and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. Y is equal to q. So here this is let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to p. 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. So first 1 by 3x plus y, no, that's why p plus q. p plus q is equal to 3 by 4. P plus q is equal to 3 by 4. Here, and actually what is this actually? This is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. If you want to multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3x plus y, 2 into 3x plus y. Understand? That's what I am writing like this. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Carefully, this is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y. Let same way here, what is that? 1 by 2 into p, 1 by 2 into p minus 1 by 2 into q is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Actually 1 by 2 into p is nothing but p by 2. P by 2, that implies minus q by 2. 1 into pp. Actually what is that? 1 by 2 into p is nothing but 1 by 2 into p by 1, 1 into pp, 2 into 1, 2. Otherwise directly you can write q by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here like fractions, p by 2 and q by 2 are the like fractions. That's why p minus q by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. P minus q by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. That implies p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 8 into this divided by 2 will be transposed from LHS to RHS. This will be into 2. This will be into 2. So then 2 by 1, no, that's why 2 table 1 time, 2 table 4 times. That implies p by q is equal to minus 1 by 4. P by q is equal to minus 1 by 4. The first equation, what is the first equation? P plus q is equal to 3 by 4. What is the second equation? P minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. So just I reduce reducible form, reduced from normal equations to linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. That's what I got. Two linear equations. Sorry, pair of linear equations in two variables, P and Q. So now I'm going to solve these two equations so that I'll get P and Q value. Those two P and Q value I will substitute here so that I'll get X and Y value. Okay, here this is equation 1 and 2, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here I am going to eliminate, again elimination method only I am doing. So I am going to eliminate Q, P plus Q, P minus Q. Anyhow, no need to multiply with any constant because here 1Q and here also minus 1Q. Here plus symbol, here minus symbol. That's what I am going for addition. So plus Q and minus Q will be 0. Here P plus P, 1P plus 1P is equal to 2P is equal to, here addition 3 by 4 plus minus 4, there is nothing but directly you can write minus 4. 2P is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4, like fractions. 2P is equal to 2 by 4. 2P is equal to 2 by 4. 2P is equal to 1 by 2. 2P is equal to 1 by 2. Implies. Then P is equal to 1 by 2. This into P will be into 2 will be transposed divided by 2. That is nothing but divided by 2. We can also write 2 by 1. That implies P is equal to 1 by 2 into reciprocal. 1 by 2 into 2 by 1 reciprocal. 1 by 2. So finally P is equal to 1 by 4. Finally P is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 4. That's why 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 4. 1 by. Okay, here I got P is equal to 1 by 4. Put P is equal to 1 by 4. Substitute P is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 or 2. So here P plus Q, what is equation 1? P plus Q is equal to 3 by 4. That implies P for 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus Q is equal to 3 by 4. That implies Q is equal to 3 by 4. This plus 1 by 4 will be transposed to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. That implies Q is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4. That implies Q is equal to 2 by 4. That implies Q is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2. Finally, P is equal to 1 by 4 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 4, Q is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute those values in the 1 by 3x plus y and 1 by 3x minus y so that you will get x and y values. Actually, P is equal to 1 by 4 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. Actually, what is P is equal to? P is equal to 1 by 3x plus y. That's why 1 by 3x plus y. P is equal to 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. P place I substituted 1 by 3x plus 5. Instead of Q, 3x 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Now already said numerators are equal, that's why denominators are equal. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and here 3x minus y is equal to 2. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 3 and equation 4. Let us solve these two equations so you'll get x and y values. What is the first equation? 3x plus y is equal to 4. What is the second equation? 3x minus y is equal to 2. We need to multiply with any constant y because here 3x, here y, so that we can eliminate either y or x. So I am going to eliminate y Here plus symbol and minus plus 1y minus 1y, that's what I am adding plus addition. That's why plus 1y and minus 1y will be cancel, 0, addition no. That's why 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And just now I got 6x is equal to 6. 6x is equal to 6. 6x is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to 6 by 6, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Just now I got x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3. What is equation 3? 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3 into x, 3 into 1, that implies 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. That implies y is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 transposing. That implies y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. I got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Finally I got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the final answer for the second question. Third problem. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is nothing but 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by y minus 2. You can write like this: 5 into 1 by x minus 1, 5 into 1 by x minus 1. 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Here 5 into 1, 5 by x minus 1. If you want, you can verify. 1 into y minus 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 into 1 y minus 2. Here 6 into 1 by x minus 1. 6 into 1 by x minus 1 is nothing but 6 by x minus 1. 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Let 1 by y minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. Let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. X minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. So 5 into 1 by x minus 1 p, 5p plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by y minus 2. That's why 1q. 1q is equal to 2. 1q or q, no problem. If you want, you can take 5p plus q is equal to also. Now, and 6, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p minus 3, 1 by y minus 2, 3 into 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q is equal to 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now I am going to solve these two equations by using elimination method, so that I will get p and q values first. Later I will get x and y values. These two equations, so that I have to eliminate q. That's why I am multiplying equation 1 into 3 and directly, if you want equation 1 into 3, 5 into 3, 15, 3q, 6. Here 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. Here 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 1, 3, 3 2s are 6. Here directly you can write the equation, no need to multiply with anything. Otherwise, if you want to write into 1, also not required. So as it is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Here I am going to eliminate q. That's why here plus symbol is there, here minus symbol is there. That's what I have to go for addition. 3q minus 3q is equal to 0. Addition, no. That's why 15 plus 6 is equal to 21p is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So p is equal to 7 by 21. P is equal to 7 table 1 time, 7 table 3 times, 1 by 3. P is equal to 1 by 3. P is equal to 1 by 3. Put P is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Equation 1. What is that equation 1? 5p plus q, 1q or q is equal to 2. 5p, 5 into p, 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. So no cancellation. That's why 5 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. Here that implies q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. That implies q is equal to, you can do LCM or shortcut method. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 by 3. Before it is only 2 minus 5 by 3. Now 6 minus whole by 5 whole by is equal to 3. So that implies q is equal to 1 by 3. Q is equal to 1 by 3. Both answers are same. P is equal to 1 by 3. P is equal to 1 by 3. And Q is equal to 1 by 3. Q is equal to 1 by 3. Now I am going to find x values. I am going to find x values. P is equal to 1 by 3 and Q is equal to 1 by 3. Actually P is equal to 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. And Q is equal to 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Numerators are equal. That's why x minus 1 is equal to 3. From this x minus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. So here x is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 3 plus 1. That's why x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Coming to this side, y is equal to 3 plus 2. That's why y is equal to 5. Finally, the answer x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. This is the final answer. Okay, we completed 3 sums. Those are very important, and here assignment is given. Total 4 sums. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first question. This is second one. This is third one. This is fourth one. So solve these 4 questions and send your class teacher.